Right, in today's video, I'm going to be teaching you how to add hyperlinks in Canva. So the first thing you want to do is open up your Canva project. And once your project is open, click on the text that you would like to link and highlight the text. Once you've highlighted the text, look to the row of options that appears above the text and click on the link icon. Once you've done that, you'll be able to click into the enter a link or search field, which is where you enter your URL. Once you've entered it, you can click on done, and there you have it. Now your text will be hyperlinked over here. So I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any issues or any questions, please feel free to drop them in the comments section below.